Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Tesla Model S trunk seal noise that may occur at high speeds and outlines commonly documented reasons why wind or whistling noises can be heard from the rear trunk or hatch area during highway driving. This issue has been observed in certain Tesla Model S vehicles and can vary by model year, body design, seal condition, and manufacturing tolerances. Trunk seal-related noise at high speeds is typically noticed as air rushing, whistling, or humming sounds coming from the rear of the vehicle when driving at sustained highway speeds. In some cases, the noise may increase with speed or change depending on wind direction, road conditions, or cabin pressure. The trunk may appear fully closed with no visible gaps despite the noise. Verified information indicates that trunk seal compression differences, seal alignment, or wear over time may contribute to this behavior. Variations in body panel alignment or hatch positioning can also influence how air flows around the rear of the vehicle at higher speeds. In certain cases, changes in temperature can affect rubber seal flexibility, which may alter sealing effectiveness. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year, mileage, or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. Other documented factors include minor gaps around the trunk perimeter, mis-seated seals after cargo loading or prior service, and aerodynamic airflow patterns around the rear glass and hatch area. As a possibility, aging seals or slight deformation over time could allow increased wind intrusion, though this is not confirmed for every case. General guidance includes inspecting the trunk seal for visible damage, ensuring the seal is properly seated around the full perimeter, and observing whether the noise changes with speed or weather conditions. If the noise persists, professional inspection may be required to assess seal condition, alignment, or fitment. Overall trunk seal noise at high speeds in the Tesla Model S can vary depending on vehicle age, body alignment, and environmental conditions. The issue does not indicate the same cause for every vehicle and may differ between model years and generations. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.